have a beautiful stitch here, and I'm going to be calling it something like falling leaves. Isn't this pretty? So we're going to be reading the instructions on a chart. Please follow the chart as I go, so like that you can understand each line, how it goes. And this line here, these lines across, it means that you purl on the right side and knit on the wrong side. So these are yarn overs, the circles, and this is slide 1 knitwise, knit 2 stitches together and pass over, and this is knitted together, and this is slide knit. So usually I write down what they mean. Well, I don't need to, but write down what they mean on the top, so like that you can read it easily. So let's do this. On charts you always read number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 from right to left, and then you read all the even number rows from left to right. So let's do this. Row number 1, I am going to purl the edge 1, so that's where it is, and then yarn over. Since my yarn is in the front, that makes a yarn over already. So I'm going to knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over. So I slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, and the one that I slid goes over that last one, and yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 2, slide 1, knit 2 stitches together, and the one that I slid goes over, knit 2, yarn over, and purl 1. And then you repeat that same thing all the way to the end. Remember that you end with a purl 1. Row number 2, you're going to, which is the wrong side, knit 1, purl, and then knit that one there, and then purl 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, and then knit 1. So now we're going to do row number 3. So we're going to purl 1 and then leave the yarn there, because we're going to do the yarn over. And now we're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together and pass over, yarn over, knit 2, pass 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass over, knit 2, yarn over, and purl 1. And then you repeat that same thing all the way to the end. So the row number 4, which is the wrong side, you knit 1, purl 15, knit 1, purl 15, and knit 1. Now row number 5, you are going to purl 1, and then leave the yarn there because you're going to be yarning over. Then knit 2, pass 1, knit these 2 stitches together, knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, yarn over, knit 1, slide 1, knit these 2 stitches together, pass over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and purl 1, and then you repeat the same thing until the end. Row number 7, purl 1, leave the yarn there to make a yarn over, knit 2, so pass 1, knit 2 stitches together and pass that one over, knit 2, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, yarn over, slide 1, knit those 2 stitches together and pass over, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, and purl 1, and repeat that. Okay, so row number 9, we're going to purl 1, leave the yarn there to make a yarn over, and then knit 2, pass 1, knit those 2 stitches together and pass over, knit 2, yarn over, pass 1, knit those 2 stitches together, pass over, yarn over, and then knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over, and purl 1, and then you repeat that. Remember that this first stitch does not count as the repetition. It's just there to form a border. So row number 11, I am going to purl 1, and then yarn over, keep the yarn there, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, pass 1, knit those 2 stitches together, pass that stitch over, knit 1, yarn over, slide, slide, and knit, yarn over, knit 2, slide 1, knit those 2 stitches together and pass over, knit 2, yarn over, and purl 1, and then repeat to the end. And there it is. Isn't this gorgeous? I think I'm going to be making a table runner with it because it's really pretty. So thank you for watching. Please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.